Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to be doing a DIY Mickey tie-dye extravaganza. Like 2 t-shirts for my husband, 2 for me, 2 for my daughter, a pair of shorts, and 2 biker shorts. Basically got everything from Target, so let me show you what I got. And this might take like, I guess like 3 or 4 days to do. So let's get started. So we have a tie-dye kit from Target online, and then I got extra rubber bands. We have a 4T and a 5T t-shirt, so she could maybe wear it next year. We have 2 pairs of white biker shorts, one longer, one shorter.
What is this, Mom?
Pair of cute, adorable shorts with pockets from Target for me. 2 t-shirts from Target for me. Our t-shirts were like $4 for her, $5 for me. Daddy, I just got jockey tees because it was in a tall. But I used this, which we got in Magic Kingdom, to make a pattern to trace. So I think it's a little big for her biker shorts, but I think this is the perfect size for my shorts. I free-handed 2 Mickeys. It's hard to see. This was my first one. Did not turn out well. This is my second one. So I think this would fit. Yeah.
What are we gonna do with these Mickeys?
So we're gonna trace them onto the shirt, but I think actually this might be too big for Phil. So I think I'm gonna cut that down.
Mom, and what are we gonna do with these Mickeys?
We're gonna make a tie-dye pattern with them.
That's how you do it.
So on the Disney Parks blog, they have a whole tutorial on how to do this. So that's basically what I'm following. And they had this. So I think this is the perfect size for mine. And I think, yeah, I might make this a little smaller for hers. Step 1, I washed everything and dried it. Step 2 is to get a washable marker and trace your Mickey. So I'm gonna cut this down a little bit and then trace these on Daddy's t-shirt. Head and the 2. I think they're gonna have big whites, which I like. And you put it down every 2 inches for rubber bands.
We're gonna do this next.
Yes, like that. Do you have your gloves on? Are you ready to tie-dye?
Yeah.
It said use a small rubber band for the Mickeys, but I actually used big ones. It also said to use chalk, but I used washable marker. Okay, so Daddy's shirts are all tied up. I got him a tall shirt, so hopefully the other shirts go a lot faster because that was a lot of rubber banding. And I did blue, so mostly in the middle, so I know those are his. A long time, so we have Daddy's, 2 for Daddy, 2 for Mommy. I have my shorts, I have Landon's shirts, and then here are her biker shorts. And I ordered some rubber bands off of Amazon, so I'm gonna see if they have any smaller ones before I wrap up her biker shorts. My goodness, I think this took like 2 hours. I'm tired. So the Amazon rubber bands arrived, but they're all absolutely enormous. So that's not gonna work, but I guess I'll have to try the smallest one I have, and then I guess this isn't a bad thing because look what she did. Day 2 of tie-dye. I figured I cannot do it with a 3-year-old. She is asleep, so I'm gonna try to tie-dye it real quick. But quick update, I wanted to do like a pink and gray one, so I popped into Michael's. Michael's has like no gray tie-dye dye. But Landon picked this out. She really wanted this, and I think this is actually a cuter idea because it has like smaller bottles. So I guess you don't have to use that much. They have like the robin's egg blue. So the other update is, so I found very tiny rubber bands at Michael's, so I'm gonna change those out on the small Mickeys on her shirt and on my shorts, and her shorts, I mean. I also got another shirt for her, and I'm gonna try to do that swirly pattern thing with no Mickey. I'm not gonna pre-wash it because who's got time for that? Let's do it. All right, we'll see if that works. So Disney said to get them wet and then wring them out. So we're gonna do that in the laundry room. We're in the basement where this is a yes space for my 3-year-old. So it's a good place to do it because it feels like 105 outside today. This came with the bigger kit I got from Michael's. Disney recommended using this to dye it. This is actually a nice one from Williams-Sonoma. I looked for a cheap one, but they were kind of expensive, so hopefully it doesn't dye it out. I asked my husband which ones he wanted. He wanted red, white, and blue, so I'm gonna do some red, white, and blue. My shorts and one of my shirts, I wanted to do pink and gray. So I think if I throw out half of the black and mix it with water, I'm gonna see if it makes the gray. I'm kind of nervous I'm gonna mess this up. Let's see. Quick tip for you guys, I quickly realized that I needed heavier kitchen gloves that fit my hands better and an apron, so be sure to get better gloves than what's included in the tie-dye kit. So that took me an hour and a half. I did 1, that's my shirt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in an hour and a half. I still have, I think, 4 more? Yeah, 4 more to do. Yikes. Whew. That's it. She's all done. I recently saw on Tim Tracker that he did these at Disney, and Disney said to put them in the fridge for 3 days. So luckily, our fridge upstairs is packed, but we have a mini fridge. So 3 days, it would be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'll probably wait until Saturday. Give it 4 days just to make sure. And my husband should be off work. There's my husband's red, white, and blue. I'm a little afraid I saturated them too much. There wasn't much information about like saturating them. I think I might have put too much dye and they're like bleeding over too much, but maybe that will look good. Like, so you can see it there. The colors are bleeding together. So maybe I put too much on. We will see you guys on Saturday. Oh my gosh, that is amazing! I hope they all turn out this well. I might have a new career. What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, they're so cute! I'm so excited. So these are the pink and gray. I think my daughter's shirt came out perfect. They are so cute. I'm very happy with how these shorts turned out. So cute. I love it. So it says you can wash them all together, but I put the red, white, and blue in the wash for Cole. Come look, guys. I'm so excited. And then, so then I'm gonna group these in another one. What do you think, Jessie?
Good.
So I made a daddy one, and I did a little bit of gray in his, and these are like classic tie-dye colors. A mommy one, and then a Landon one. And this I actually did in 5T and 14, so these probably won't fit you till next year.
No, gonna fit me.
Oh, they are?
Yes.
Do you love it? I'll wash these in a third wash. It'll be interesting to see what they look like after they're like washed and dried. They'll probably be like a little more faded. Our shirts are completely done. I can't believe how much the red faded. It's basically pink, white, and blue. I still think it looks great. Obviously, my pinch and turn technique, this is my only non-Mickey one, needs some improvement. This did not turn out good, but it's still cute. Next batch, I am so happy with the way these turned out. I wasn't sure how the gray would look because I just kind of diluted the black a lot. But I really like them. And Landon actually has her little shirt on, and hers is probably my favorite one that turned out. And the last batch, I think these turned out really good. I'm really happy with the blue and the yellow. I think this is like a classic tie-dye. And I think these might be the ones that we wear in the parks. They turned out really good. I think this is really cute on her together, but it looks too much like pajamas. So I think I'll break that up. But I think matching Mickey tie-dye shirts at like Epcot on our first day is cute.